Verifying your bank account Enjay is an important process to ensure secure transactions. Follow these steps to complete the verification. Step 1. Create an account. Visit the website and sign up for a new account. Fill in the required information, including your email address and a strong password. Make sure to confirm your email to activate your account. Step 2. Navigate to bank verification. Log into your account and go to the account settings or verification section. Look for the option labeled bank verification or similar to begin the process. Step 3. Enter bank details. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 4. Submit verification documents. Prepare and upload any required documents to verify your identity and bank account ownership. This may include a government-issued ID and a recent bank statement. Follow the prompts to upload these files. Step 5. Wait for confirmation. After submitting your information and documents, wait for you to review your application. This process may take a few days. You will receive a notification via email once your bank account is successfully verified. Once you have completed these steps, your bank account should be verified Enjay, allowing you to make secure transactions.